In the depths of the night, 'neath the moon's gentle light, two hearts once entwined, now set adrift in the night. She ventured away to another's embrace, leaving him with memories, no solace to chase. In every corner, in every little thing, their love lingers on, a bittersweet sting. In every object, in every fleeting sign, their old love story still shines ever bright. Years flew by like leaves in the wind, but the echoes of their love still clearly penned in every song's melody, in each whispering breeze. Their love story whispered through the trees. In every corner, in every little thing, their love lingers on, a bittersweet sting. In every object, in every fleeting sign, their old love story still shines ever bright. One day, in the twilight of their days, fate reunited them in unexpected ways. As they gazed into each other's eyes, they saw the truth beneath the sky. In every corner, in every little thing, their love lingers on, a bittersweet sting. In every object, in every fleeting sign, their old love story still shines ever bright. They realized then, as they held each other tight, that truly had pulled them apart in the night. But in their hearts, they knew it was meant to be, to leave their love behind and set each other free. In every corner, in every little thing, their love lingers on, a bittersweet sting. In every object, in every fleeting sign, their old love story still shines ever
One day, in the twilight of their days, fate reunited them in unexpected ways. As they gazed into each other's eyes, they saw the truth beneath the skies. In every corner, as they held each other tight, that duty had pulled them apart in the night. But in their hearts, they knew it was meant to be, to leave their love behind and set each other free.